God Matthews. Can we find the exciting point of this game is still
Bawigere kuma kuri athaki Henry Juma na Harrison Mwendwa ciakorwo ikihe kirabu gia Kariobangi Sharks uhotani wakio wa mbere ligi-ini ya guku bururi-ini ya KPL magithaka na kirabu gia Sony Sugar hwaini uyu.
Henry Juma with a shot. Oh my goodness me, what a goal. Ladies and gentlemen, that is why we watch football.
Uhotani uyu wa Sharks ukite oriri kirabu giki kirehaririria gucemania na kirabu kia Asante Kotoko kuma Ghana gucani-ini yao ya keri ya njokerano mbitĩka-inĩ cia CAF Confederation Cup weekend ino.
He's going to go out for. He's very lucky. Kelvin Omondi spilled outside his
Sharks makorirwo makiuma kabati ya gibugu gwa gibugu na Kotoko gucani-ini ya ikereka ria mbere ria yathakirwo kiharo-ini gia Kasarani Stadium na maratanya gukorwo makiandikithia maumirira mega ngucani-ini iyo ya gucokerana.
Anapata Harrison Mwendwa nguvu mpya ambaye ameingia katika uwanja
na kirabu kia Gor Mahia kihaririirie kuigana guthaka ngucani iyo yakio ya ikereka ria keri na kirabu kia Robi Stars mbitĩka-inĩ cia CAF Champions League weekend yukite kuria kuringana na kocha Hassan Oktay maratanya gukorwo mena maumirira mega.
We prepare very well. The boys is ready. The boys is up for it to second leg. And we're going to get good result.
Gor Mahia mandikithirie hotani wa bao 3-1 ngucani-ini ya mbere kiharo-ini gia Kasarani na maratanya maumirira mega makiria makierekera ngucani ino ya ikereka ria keri.
So it's not that easy. We have not yet qualified yet, but we are just going to fight as a team and get something that will make us qualify for the group stages.
Ngucani ino yukite oriri kwina muhwate mugwimi njorua wa bao wa timu ya Harambee Stars Dennis Oliech ahota gukorwo agiuka kirabu-ini giki uhoro uria kocha Hassan Oktay aregete kwaria uhoro waguo.
I cannot confirm that. Still we're working on it. Team manager and committee members and the chairman, they're working on it.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, njitagwo Cohi wa Ithe Fethi.